Are you looking for the best water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the best water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Electric Water Heater. Selected as the best of the electric tankless water heaters, users can say never again to cold showers with the Stiebel Eltron Tankless Electric Water Heater. In addition to supplying a steady flow of hot water, the Stiebel Eltron model includes several features that make it rank among the top tankless water heaters. When hot water demand begins to exceed capacity, the Stiebel Eltron automatically makes slight reductions to flow to ensure the warm water keeps on coming. This unit will provide up to 4.68 GPM and can save homeowners money. The temperature uses about 15 to 20% less energy than standard tank water heaters. Other attractive features include easy-to-use digital controls for output and water temperature. The unit is small, weighing in at just over 15 pounds, and takes up very little space with its 20-inch long by 20-inch wide profile. Product specs. Type: electric tankless. Water capacity, up to 4.68 GPM, depending on temperature. BTUs/power output, 18,000 watts. At number 2. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Hard water has a nasty habit of eroding pipes and causing damage to a home's internal water system over time. To avoid these problems, rely on the EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater's high-quality internal mechanisms. This model has a fast flow recovery rate, so there is no waiting time between different people's showers, and it continuously monitors water temperature and flow rate for 99% efficiency. This tank is also compact enough to fit in a utility room or basement without taking up a lot of space. This 13 kW/240 volt water heater provides a maximum flow rate of 3.1 GPM of continuous hot water, and the large backlit LCD display and control knobs allow owners to monitor or adjust the water temperature at any time. Plus, the power button can adjust the display to show temperatures in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. Product specs. Type: tankless. Water capacity, up to 3.1 GPM. BTUs/power output, 13,000 watts. At number 3. Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. The compact size of the Bosch Mini Tank Water Heater seamlessly fits into any setting, making it a versatile choice for many buyers. With a user-friendly front dial, temperature adjustment becomes effortless, ensuring personalized comfort. The simple LED indicator lets users know when the tank has reached the desired temperature. Flexibility reigns as this unit can be effortlessly installed as a floor-standing model or mounted on the wall, courtesy of the included bracket. Catering to various needs, it's perfect for kitchenettes, in-law suites, half-bathrooms, or distant powder rooms that are far from the primary water heater. This Bosch mini tank heater doesn't just save space, it enhances comfort with its innovative features, making it a practical and adaptable solution for your hot water requirements. Product specs. Type: electric. Water capacity, 4 gallons. BTUs/power output, 1,440 watts. At number 4. Height Crew Portable Propane Water Heater and Shower Pump. The Height Crew Portable Propane Water Heater seamlessly merges the comforts of home with the rugged essence of camping. It integrates a built-in pump that can be immersed in a water source and linked to a propane tank. This arrangement ensures a continuous water heating, catering to camp showers, dishwashing, and equipment rinsing needs. At the water heater's upper part, a convenient handle serves as a carrying system. Bundled with a handheld faucet and a shower head attachment, the portable water heater furnishes hot water on the go, effortlessly connecting to both AC and DC power sources. For safety, the compact unit incorporates an automatic shut-off feature. This function turns off the burner either at 125 degrees Fahrenheit or when the water supply is depleted. Operating at a rate of 1 GPM and producing 42,000 BTUs, this portable device excels as a mobile solution but might not be suitable for other applications. Product specs. Type: tankless propane. Water capacity, 1 GPM. BTUs/power output, 42,000 BTUs.